Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. If you're looking to book your test online, your driving test, we've got some slightly bad news. They're going to close it off until Wednesday, 26th of August. So let's go through the email that we were sent over, DVSA, the official driving agency. If you remember, on the 21st of August, Friday, the driving system opened up, but then it crashed down because too many people tried to use it. Then we were sent another email saying on the 24th of August, which is on the Monday coming up, that they're going to open up a few more slots. But now we received this email. Let's go through it. Some of our services will be unavailable until Wednesday, 26th of August. So, okay. Following the message we sent you yesterday, 21st of August, about problems with the driving test booking service, some of our services will be unavailable until 7:59 a.m. So 8 o'clock a.m. say on Wednesday, 26th of August. Okay, the services that will be unavailable are booking your driving test, which is the main thing because we want to book our driving test, change your driving test appointment, check your driving test appointment details, and canceling your driving test. All these are really important features and services that we need to use, and it's saying you won't be able to use it until the 26th of August, which is on a Wednesday. The service has been closed since 20th of March 2020 because of the coronavirus, and DVSA had only been dealing with applications for emergency driving tests for critical workers. Following unprecedented demand for the driving test booking system with almost 7 million, get this, 7 million attempts to book a driving test, we need to carry out essential work to help make sure the service can deal with the increased demand for test bookings. This means we will not be releasing new test slots on Monday 24th of August as we previously said. We're sorry for the inconvenience this may cause you. So, first of all, notice that 7 million people tried to book. No wonder the system crashed down. And if you guys want to check your test, cancel your test, or even book a test on Monday, you won't be able to do so as it was told to us previously. Any news that we get, we're going to bring it out straight to you guys. That way you're the first to know. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe so that you get all the latest information straight away. Again, apologies for the bad news, but it's an extra few more days. So hopefully on the Wednesday, 26th of August, a few more new dates will be out.